Hello everyone, in our previous videos I introduced several cost-effective electric towel warmers that received great feedback for both their performance and price. Today I'd like to show you a premium model with a truly modern and elegant design, the DAL Series 505, designed and developed by ourselves. The 505 features a stylish high-end appearance with an aluminum alloy body that feels incredibly smooth and refined. With 6 heating bars and a larger usable surface area, you can easily hang multiple towels, clothes, or other fabrics at the same time if you are renovating a new home, upgrading an old bathroom, or looking for a bathroom product that adds both functionality and atmosphere. I believe the 505 is an excellent choice. It also comes with an LED touch display, allowing you to freely set the timer from 0 to 9 hours and adjust the temperature between 30 degrees C and 70 degrees according to different towel and clothing thicknesses or moisture levels. For safety, the 505 is equipped with IPX4 waterproof protection and overheating protection, providing reliable and secure operation in your bathroom. We support OEM and ODM customization, including logo and packaging customization. As a direct SanitaryWare manufacturer, we are confident in providing high-quality service, refined products, and fast delivery times. If you are interested in cooperating with us, feel free to send us a message through our YouTube homepage or contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.